Welcome to the Taatala workshop. This workshop is established in the backyard of the house. Now today I'm going to project a very unique idea to you. In our workshop, over a period of time, we collect a lot of scrap, wood scrap, plastic scrap, iron scrap. Not only that, when some repairs in the house are undertaken, a lot of scrap comes out. Sometimes that scrap can be used. Now just keep this story aside. I'll come back to it. About a few days ago, I was making a storage shelf and I had a lot of wood scrap with me, so I wanted to utilize that. But you know, the scrap over a period of time, it wobbles, bends, and you have to really straighten it out. The best way I find to straighten it out is slightly wet it and keep it on the floor in such a manner and put weights on it. Now I really don't have any weights, but I do have bricks, so I put those bricks all around. But the bricks don't seem all that professional. So one day I thought, why not go to the market and buy iron weights, which are used in the market in Kirana shop and other shops. But they were really costly. So I was wondering what exactly to do. Now here comes the story which I was telling you about scrap. I came to my home where iron scraps like nails and such other things were available. I collected all that and brought it here. So here is that scrap. So you can see this scrap. It's nearly about 10 kg heavy. This is an old garden tap. These are some tools which have become useless to me. Even these tools all this can be put in a container, sealed and made into a weight. For an example, I made one. Now I had this plastic box. It was lying in the scrap. Then a piece of wood, and inside it is all nails and all the trash. And this hook is the one which I bought. It's about 1.5 plus. Now all you have to do is get a container and fill up everything, use your glue gun and seal it up layer by layer. So first you put big pieces and chunks in the area, fill up with small nails and other things so that it becomes compact. Then use the gun to seal it. Then put another layer and continue doing it this way. Put small pieces of chunks, fill up the gap so that the whole weight becomes more heavy, and then one side. Use your glue gun. Finally, cover it up with ply, preferably is about 12 mm. So it is strong and heavy. Out of the scrap, I had this sewerage pipe, which is about 27 centimeters. So I will cut this into 3 equal pieces. That's about 9 centimeters each. To cover up both the sides, so this is the ply that I'm going to use. Measure it with a circle, then use this tool to cut out the circle. I have already arranged the tool for the correct amount. This is a 4-inch pipe went to the market and bought these 3 hooks, which I will use in this fashion. Each hook has cost me about 5 rupees, so that makes 15 rupees total. Now I will start the project, but I will not make a complete video of it. So I will take short snaps and post them along with this video. And at the end, I will show you the ready-made product. I'm quite sure you will be impressed. I have already measured 9 centimeters to cut the pipe, and a stop has been put over here with a screw. This is the pipe, and 9 centimeters I'll be cutting from this side. I will run the blade at a slow speed because cutting a hollow plastic pipe. Here we are. We have got 3 sizes. One is slightly smaller, but no problem, it's not critical. Now we have got these pieces, they will be fixed this way, and I will glue it up properly from inside. Before fixing the top part, I will insert this screw, tighten it up, but we require bigger washers so that it fits in well. I will show you a piece in process, how it has been made, how all the junk is being put into this and glued up. Okay. What I found is that this hole is rather big, and this hook is thin, so it does not fit properly. So what we will do is, after we have put the washers and the nut from here, then with the hot glue we will seal it up from this side. First this washer. Now let's fix this into this pipe. But first let's glue it up. Absolutely snugging tight and ensure that it is absolutely level. Yeah, now it is absolutely level. Let's glue it up from inside. Yeah. Now we need to balance this, and now put these iron pieces, firstly the big ones, into this. Now I have filled up one more level with all sorts of scrap available to me, but ensure that you leave space for this 12 mm bottom cover to go in and remain flushed with the pipe. However, if it is not going in, it is not a big issue, but try that maximum ply must go inside. Later on, whatever is protruding out can be sandpapered so that it becomes level with the pipe. So now you see I have filled up to a level where my bottom cover will fit in easily. But still I find a lot of gaps all around. Here, corner here. I was not finding any small iron pieces. But the gap is quite a bit. And therefore, if we put something, then we can increase the weight of this improvised weight. So it just struck me that why not put some sand. Sand will have two effects, that will go into all the areas that are available. Also it will level out and make our bottom piece more secure. So now you can see it has been filled up with sand. It has been filled up with sand and adequate space left for putting the bottom cover. The sand is slightly loose, so jam it up with a mixture of ferricol and a bit of water. So I will pour it in here. It will go inside, but it will also jam the sand here. After water has more or less evaporated, then we can put a lot of glue and then seal it up with the bottom cover. So here we are. The weights are ready. Let's see them from a closer angle. It's about 2 kg. This is also about the same weight. This seems much heavier. All made out of scrap. in the backyard of your workshop. Well, here is the final product. It's wonderful, elegant, looks very classy. Adds to the get-up of your workshop and costs nothing. So go ahead and try it out.